Hey guys, so today in the past couple days, I built this uh, little miniature railroad crossing using some old trailer lights and some wiring going to a switch and a battery. I just hot glued I used the hole saw to cut these out of 2x4. These are out of some old IKEA stuff that I painted, and then these are old trailer lights, some chipboard that I painted, and this pole that I just found. So I'll show you how it works. So each switch controls each light. I don't have a relay system for it. So if I connect the battery, yeah, see I flip one switch on, one light comes on, flip the other one on, it's on, and then I can put them in sync too. So yeah, that's my 12-volt railroad crossing. Thanks for watching.